everybody, I'm back. And today, I need some help deciding something very important. If you're new here, my name is Leah. Welcome to my channel. Today, I need to figure out what I'm going to be wearing on an upcoming trip. And this always takes me a really long time to figure out. I am going on a trip in a few weeks to Disneyland. One of my favorite places on earth, one of the cutest places on earth. I need to make sure that I look cute. Plus, it's a special day. We're going for me and Brandon's 15th wedding anniversary. So I need to look extra cute and romantic. So that's what today is about. I'm going to be figuring out what I'm going to take with me. Okay, so the most important outfit is what I'll be wearing to our anniversary dinner. Kind of have a vague idea what I want to wear. So I have this little sundress with very puffy sleeves. And I'm thinking I'm going to wear this with some I'm assuming it's going to be really hot. So some shorts underneath with a bodysuit. And then I don't think I'm gonna wear ears, or I could wear these ears, just plain black ears, but maybe put a bow with it or something, yeah. But I need the shorts. These shorts. These I think will look the best. And need a shirt for underneath. Okay, shirt for underneath. Shoes. Shoes are hard because I want them to look cute, but you have to walk around a lot. You're on your feet a lot. So I don't have anything black and cute for walking. Maybe these. Maybe my Michael Kors sneakers. And because the mini backpack I'm going to wear has gold on it too. Beauty and the Beast rose mini backpack. Oh yes, that will be very cute. Look at Belle. Look how cute she is. So yes. Perfect, I think. Except the bow. What bow? This. Oh, no. I got it. I know. I wear one of my favorite things to wear, accessories wise, is my tiaras, though. Which one? I'm thinking this one. Okay, let's try this on to make sure it's cute. Yes, so this is what I'm thinking I'm going to wear right now for our anniversary dinner. I'm going to try it on just to make sure it's cute. You have to plan these things ahead. I need to feel comfortable. I need to feel like I'm cute because it's a special day and I want it. I also have to figure out socks to wear with these. Also might be cold once the sun goes down, so we'll have to bring some leggings just in case the shorts are too cold. These sleeves are super puffy. I like them. Can't tie the back. I'll have to wait. Put the shoes on. Okay, now in the backpack. ears. You're out the ears. Alright, so just the plain ears, or plain ears and oh, that's kind of cute. I'm a Mickey. I'm a Mickey princess. All right, let's see. I might like it. Get some pictures so I can stare at it and decide later. I need to see the whole outfit. I hate doing mirror selfies because they're too hard. Okay, so I think I like this outfit for our anniversary dinner, but I will also need an outfit for that day that I can easily transform into this outfit. Well, maybe not. We'll probably go back to the hotel midday. I'll probably definitely wear the shorts during the day. I could just wear this during the day, but I feel a little too exposed. The shorts are fine, but the top is not. Okay, so then easily during the day I can wear the shorts with this t-shirt. Shoes. I don't want to wear these shoes during the day. I don't want to get scuffed up. Maybe these. These are easy for walking in, but not these socks. Some daytime socks. Now, probably need red, something with red. So probably these ears. And backpack. I don't think I have a red bag with red. I have that blue one, but it's not very big. I carry a lot of stuff with me when I'm at Disneyland during the day because it's hot. In the summer, so I have this one, which I think goes better with my outfit, but it doesn't hold much. I actually have never ever used this one because it doesn't hold much. I just bought it because it was so cute. Then I have this one that just does not go. This one is not cute. It's way cuter though. I might have to I can test it out. Put all the stuff in it that I think I'm gonna want to bring and see if it works. And if not, just have to not match. Yeah, I don't think I have any other options. We also have these little fanny packs that I really love, but I never wear either. I buy these things that I think are so cute and then I never use them because they're probably not that practical. A lot of stuff on me. This might work because then I can keep my money and my phone in here, and then all my only need a little bit of the time in here. Maybe this is too much. This might be too much. That was too much. I think this is where we're gonna have to go, and I'll just have to make my stuff fit. Okay, so yeah, day 2 daytime outfit. Okay, now I need an outfit for dinner on the first night. Something a little more comfortable. I have this cute little mermaid dress. This might be better for during the day. And these ears really go well with it. I have this black sundress. Might be cute for dinner on first night, yes. And for someone who wears a lot of black, I don't have a lot of black shoes. And then maybe this ears. Do like a Disney goth look. White shoes look weird. Yeah, that's cute to get the proper undergarments for it. But this is pretty cute for dinner on the first night. The white shoes look a little funny, but at least there's white in my ears. Now I need a bag. Probably wear this one again, maybe. I think we'll have to go with this one. Okay, so dinner for the first night. Now, I need what I'm going to wear the first day, and that needs to be comfortable because it's a little bit of a car ride before we get there. So, yeah. So I have this. It's a top, but when you wear shorts with it, it looks like you're not wearing any pants. But you are, just barely. Like this under them. It won't matter, maybe? I don't know. Dance shorts underneath. Totally looks like I'm not wearing any pants. But it's gonna be hot, so. I got the new pastel ears, but I have never gotten to wear them yet. And maybe my sparkly shoe. Okay, so yes. And then the backpack matches so cute. I love. I don't think it matters that it looks like I'm not wearing any pants. I think this will work. Okay, so got day 1, evening 1, day 2, evening 2. Now I just need one more outfit for the last day. I just need one day outfit because it's going to be a long day and we'll be having a long car ride home as well. So I just need something comfortable. So just some shorts like these. Maybe I'll wear my unicorn outfit. Or should I wear something? Oh, I found bicycle shorts. These will go better. I think I forgot I had these. I'll put these under. Is that better? No, I might need another picture to compare. I think I might like it better with the no pants look. Okay, where was I? I was looking for an outfit for the last day. Needs to be comfortable. I like the top, but I don't know if I'm skinny enough for these shorts. Actually, you know what? I might wear these shorts with an oversized Cinderella tee that's in the dirty clothes. So I think I might wear that. So I can't try it on, but I've worn that outfit plenty of times, so I know it's cute. Maybe I'll just wear that with my princess ears, perhaps, with these princess ears, and black t-shirt with Cinderella on it, and yeah, I think that will work. It takes me a long time to decide this stuff. Okay, I think I got everything figured out. So we have day one, day outfit, and then day one, evening, and then day two, day outfit, day two, evening outfit, and then day three, we only need a day outfit, and the top is in the hamper. So I think I have got it. So yeah, I think I got it figured out. So thank you. Thank you so much for listening to me talk it out like it's a big problem. And yeah, hopefully that wasn't too boring for you. I guess this was kind of like my first little vlog video. I think so. It's kind of fun. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It's how I know what kind of videos to make. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you know when I upload new videos. And you won't miss out on my Disney trip that's coming up, because you know I'm going to be making videos from that. And you won't miss out on the cute life. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!